Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locating the unwanted page and revealing what's causing it. Open the document, go straight to the blank page, and enable the navigation pane so you see pages as thumbnails. Once done, turn on paragraph marks so you can inspect hidden characters, breaks, and empty paragraphs. Make sure to look for paragraph symbols, manual page breaks, and section breaks. Those are usually the culprits. Now you're ready to remove the visible cruft step by step. You'll now delete the hidden content that creates the extra sheet. First, click and drag to select any empty paragraph marks or a manual page break and press delete, short and decisive. If you find a section break, you must decide. Delete it to merge sections or change formatting so it's not forcing a page. Once you understand the difference, use Find and Replace to remove repeated empty paragraphs quickly. Make sure to preview the surrounding text after each change. Finish by confirming the page is gone and nothing else moved. You should check headers, footers, and any tables or images that can be anchored and push content onto a new page. Use Print Preview or Export to PDF to ensure the extra sheet is actually removed. Save a copy under a new name. If the blank page persists, inspect section break types and object anchors. Changing the break type or unanchoring an object often fixes stubborn pages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.